Welcome! Today we are going to learn how arrays help us understand multiplication. Sometimes multiplication can seem like a big jump from addition, but arrays make it easy to see what multiplication looks like. Arrays help us organize objects into equal groups so we can count them quickly. Let's take a look at how arrays work. An array is a group of objects arranged in rows and columns. Rows go side by side, just like rows of seats in a movie theater. Columns go up and down, like the columns that hold up a building or like lockers stacked on top of each other. Arrays help us group objects in a neat, organized way so we can count them more easily. Let's look at this example. Here we have 3 rows and 4 columns. That means there are 3 groups of 4 objects. Instead of counting each object one at a time, we can multiply. We say 3 times 4 equals 12. Or use the number 9, 3 times 4 equals 12. Arrays help us clearly see the number of groups and how many are in each group. Arrays also help us understand repeated addition. We can think of multiplication as adding the same number repeatedly. For example, we have 3 groups of 4, so we can add 4 plus 4 plus 4. When we add them together, we get 12. So 3 times 4 and 4 plus 4 plus 4 both equal 12. Arrays show us both multiplication and repeated addition in one picture. Now it's your turn. Take a look at this array. First, count the number of rows. Next, count the number of columns. Then, write the multiplication fact that matches the array. Remember, the number of rows is the first number in the multiplication equation, and the number of columns is the second number. You can do it! Now, let's review it together. Let's look at the array. Take a moment to count the rows. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's count the columns. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 columns in this array. Great! So, we have 4 rows and 5 columns. Let's use this information to create the multiplication sentence. How many rows do we have? 4. How many columns? 5. Now, let's write our number sentence. 4 times 5. Great! You're becoming an array expert! Now, what is 4 times 5? 20. Our array model shows 20 apples. Awesome! Let's put it to the test. You're ready to show what you have learned. You will complete a short quiz where you identify the number of rows and columns in an array and write the multiplication fact. Go slowly and use the strategy we learned. Count rows, count columns, then write the multiplication sentence. Great work today! Arrays are helpful tools that make multiplication easier to understand. They show us equal groups and they help us see repeated addition. Keep practicing with arrays and soon multiplication will feel simple and familiar. You did an amazing job today.